Welcome to Lesson 3 of our Introductory series. In this video, we will be showing you how to make your own cafe-grade matcha latte. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients: 1 teaspoon of matcha powder, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 60 milliliters of hot water, and 60 milliliters of your milk of choice. Set aside your chawan or any other similar sized bowl. You should also have your sift and whisk. Remember to refrigerate your matcha before and after use for optimal freshness. Let's start brewing. First, sift 1 teaspoon of matcha powder into the chawan. Sifting helps to prevent clumps from forming. Next, add 60 milliliters of hot water around 70 degrees Celsius. If you are using boiling water, add a little room temperature water to cool it down. With your bloomed whisk, begin whisking in an M-shaped pattern. Check out our previous video on how to whisk matcha. Stop whisking when a creamy layer of froth has formed. Remember to rinse your whisk. Check out the cards on how to care for your whisk. Add 2 teaspoons of sugar into the chawan and stir till the sugar has dissolved. Assembling your matcha latte. Fill your glass with ice. Pour in your milk of choice. Here we are using fresh milk. Pour the matcha sugar mixture slowly over the ice to create beautiful swirls. Mix well before enjoying. If you're in the mood for a hot matcha latte, simply use an electric whisk to create frothed milk. Measure and warm 70 milliliters of milk. Transfer it into a cup and hold the cup at a 45 degrees angle before you start whisking. Pour in the matcha sugar mixture followed by your frothed milk. Dust some matcha powder on top to complete the drink. Thanks for watching our series. We hope you have learned a little something. Till next time, happy brewing!